Excel business users can create and automate analytics in the Microsoft Cloud using Power BI. We will start with a report example in Excel, then transition into Power BI to create and publish reports from scratch. Let's look at a simple example. One of the benefits of Power BI for the non-programming business users is the ability to connect directly to data in the company enterprise resource planning, or ERP software. Whether that be 100,000 records or millions of records, we are able to connect to that data. Furthermore, we can connect the ERP data to other data sources such as this Excel spreadsheet that we pulled in from finance with forecasted sales by quarter. We can use Power Query in Power BI to automate the transformation to get the spreadsheet into a usable format along with the ERP data. When we close and apply our tables in Power BI, we can draw relationships between the data tables. We can also use DAX to create logic in our model to create a fully interactive visual report. Users can navigate and explore the business and its territories with the click of a mouse. In the end, we can publish a report like this to the web into the Microsoft Cloud. It will have an automated refresh schedule that eliminates the manual refresh requirement if the report was built with a spreadsheet. If you take this PACE class, you will learn foundations of data modeling and publish a hands-on Power BI report from scratch. We will work through examples together, and you can bring your own dataset to work on a capstone project. If you want to take your Excel analytical skills to the next level and provide on-demand insights for your business users, then Power BI is for you. The link to register for the class is at the top of the screen. We hope to see you there.